In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Dashlane to upgrade your personal security and allow you to protect your passwords and personal data online. So let's get into it. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing and hitting the bell if you enjoy learning about modern technology and learning how modern technology can improve your life. If you're unfamiliar with Dashlane, Dashlane is a great password manager. It allows you to store your passwords, your personal information, even billing information that you can pull no matter what device you're on or no matter where you are. This tool allows you to securely have all your passwords locked into a safe vault and then pull it as needed. Okay, in order to get started, all I'm going to do is click the Get Dashlane button. You'll notice I'm being redirected to the Chrome web store. First of all, I'm using Chrome as a web browser, and second of all, this is the tool that will allow us to access the passwords while we're surfing the web. Okay, after it's been added to Chrome, we can go ahead and click on it. And now I'm just going to sign up. Okay, and just like that, we've created an account. Next step is to import our passwords. I've already gone and exported them from Chrome, and then I'll just be importing them here. So that's the steps here. Okay, and as you can see, we just imported all of our passwords. Okay, so we have the passwords imported, we have the Google Chrome extension added to Chrome, so now let's test it out to see if this is working. So I'm going to go over to Twitter, and Dashlane should recommend my username and password. So if I click the login button, oh, so we see the D here. If I click on it, sure enough, it's got my information saved. I can click on it again for the password, and just like that, boom, we're in. And that pretty much summarizes Dashlane. So you should have a basic understanding of what Dashlane is now, as well as how to set up a free account. Dashlane is a great resource if you're looking to upgrade your online security and protect your passwords and other personal information online. There are a couple plans that they offer. The first one is individuals. So if you're an individual, you know, there's a couple plans there. There's a free plan. So if you're not looking to spend any money, you should at the very least use their free plan because it's a really powerful tool and it is free. Now, if you're looking for more advanced features, there are paid plans for Dashlane for individual uses. They also have plans for families and businesses, and you can explore those on their website if you decide that you want to. I'll put a link in the description so you can check out their website. But that's basically the high level of what Dashlane is. Dashlane is great if you're just getting into password management and protecting yourself online, but if you are serious about improving your online security and protecting your online passwords, I highly recommend using something like NordPass or LastPass and using some of their premium plans. I'll put a link in the description, but overall Dashlane is a great free resource.